Dear students, welcome to the Math Fest video series. In Math Fest video series, we will be learning all the important questions from the examination point of view. Keep learning and practicing all these questions to achieve success in the board exams. Dear students, welcome to the Math Fest question number 1. Solving a pair of linear equation graphically. Solving a given pair of linear equation graphically. This is an important and definite 4-mark question for your exam. Students, question number 1. Given a pair of linear equation x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus y equals 4, we should solve this equation by graphically. Now, given these two pair of linear equation, now each of this linear equation represents a straight line. Each of this equation represents a straight line. Now, minimum 2 points are required to draw the straight line. Minimum 2 points is required to draw the straight line. Therefore, we need to form a table of x and y coordinate of 2 points. Minimum of 2 points. Students, now we'll take the first linear equation, that is x plus y equals 5. We need to find out minimum 2 coordinates to plot this equation. Now I'll form a table of x and y. Minimum of 2 points is required, but I'll take 3 points. Now assume the value of x and find out the value of y, or assume the value of y and find out x. Now I'll assume the value of x. Now I'll put x as 0. If I put x equals 0 in place of x, if I put 0, that means I'll get y as 5. Now the same way, if I put y as 0, if I put y equals 0, that means I'll get x equals 5. You can directly see that x equals 5. Now assume any value for x. If I put x as 3, if I put x as 3, we get 3 plus y equals 5. Y equals 5 plus 3, after shifting it becomes minus 3. We get y equals 2. When x equals 3, we get y as 2. Now we need to plot this point to get the equation that represents a line. Students, now consider the second linear equation, that is 2x minus y equals 4. Now the steps is same, that is we need to form a table of x and y. Minimum 2 points are required, but I'll take an extra point. Now the same way, I'll put x as 0. If I put x as 0, we get minus y equals 4. Don't be confused with the sign. Minus y equals 4. I can say that minus y equals 4 or y equals minus 4. When x is 0, y is minus 4. Now if I put y as 0, if I put y as 0, this whole term will be gone. Now I'll get 2x equals 4. Now divide both the side by 2, that is x equals 4 by 2. We get x equals 2. Now when y equals 0, x equals 2. Now assume any value for x. Now I'll put x as 3. When x equals 3, I get 2 into 3 minus y equals 4. 2 3s are 6. Shift this 6 to RHS. What is the remaining term here? Minus y equals 4 minus 6. What we get? Minus y equals 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus and minus will cancel out. We get y as 2. When x equals 3, y equals 2. Now we have formed a table of these two linear equations. Now we need to plot this on the graph sheet. Now we get two straight lines. After plotting, we get two straight lines on the graph sheet. The intersecting point will give you the solution. Intersection of these two straight lines will give you the solution. Now we shall see how to plot this point on the graph sheet. Dear students, take a graph sheet and divide the graph sheet or plane in 4 parts or 4 divisions or 4 quadrants. I'll divide the graph sheet into 4 quadrants. Now it represents the positive x-axis and this represents the negative x-axis, and it is positive y-axis and it is negative y-axis. Now this intersection of this all this point is the origin, that is 0, 0. Then scale, we should assume the scale of this graph. Scale, this one box represents 1 unit on the x-axis and y-axis. I'll take 1 unit as 1 centimeter. Scale is very important. It carries half marks in the exam. We should assume the scale, x-axis and y-axis. One box represents 1 unit, which is equal to 1 centimeter. Now plus 1, plus 2, then plus 3, plus 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, plus 12. The same way on the negative x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Now positive y-axis, that is plus 1, plus 2. I am taking according to the scale. One box represents 1 centimeter. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8 and plus 9. The same way on the negative y-axis I get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. Now this is how you divide the graph sheet into 4 parts or 4 quadrants. Now we have formed 2 tables for 2 linear equations. Now we need to plot those points on the graph sheet. Now students, we have got x plus 5. For the linear equation x plus 5 equals 5, we have got this table. Now we will plot the first point when x equals 0, y is 5. When x equals 0, y equals 5. See, the point when x equals 0, the same line we should check. When x equals 0, what is the y? It is here 5. That is 0, 5. When x is 0, the same horizontal line we should check for 5. That is, this point represents 0, 5. Now, when x equals 5, y equals 0. X equals 5, then y equals 0. On the x-axis we should check for plus 5. That is here, when x equals 5, y is 0. This point represents 5, 0. When x equals 5, this represents y equals 0. Therefore, 5, 0. Now the next point, when x equals 3, y equals 2. When x equals 3, y equals 2. Now, when x equals to point is here, then y equals what? 2. The same line you should check for 2. That is here. When x equals 3, what is y here? That is 2. That is, it represents 3, 2. Now, students, join all these points. Join all these points. Now, we get a straight line. Now joining all these points, we have got a straight line which represents the equation x plus y equals 5. When x plus y equals 5, represented by a straight line. Now we'll plot for the second equation, that is 2x minus y equals 4. When x equals 0, y is what? Minus 4. When x equals 0, we should check on the negative y-axis. That is, when x equals 0, in the same horizontal line, we get y as minus 4. That is 0, minus 4. Now the next point, when x equals 2, y equals 0. When x equals 2, y equals 0. Now when x equals 2, y is 0. The point is here itself, because on the same line we have y as 0. When x equals 2, y equals 0. Now the next point, when x equals 3, y equals 2. Now when x equals 3, on the same horizontal line we should check for y equals 2. Now it represents the same point, that is 3, 2. Now join all these points. After joining all these points, have got a straight line which is represented by the equation 2x minus y equals 4. Now this straight line represents the equation, linear equation x plus y equals 5. This line is represented by the linear equation 2x minus y equals 4. Now if we observe, these two lines are intersecting at this point. Students, please observe this. These two lines are intersecting at this point. Now I'll extend this point. If I extend those points on x-axis and y-axis, I have got x equals what? 3 and y as 2. Now I got the solution. X equals 3 and y equals 2. These are the solutions for the linear equation, that is x equals 3 and y equals 2. The intersection of these 2 points, these 2 lines, intersection of these 2 lines has given a point. This represents the solution of this linear equation. Dear students, these are the questions for your practice. Solve this linear equation graphically, and also until the next math fest question, practice this question. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe, like and share. Thank you again.